Hi, I'm Tom Seagraves with Sawblade.com and thank you for joining me on our hands-on series. In today's video, we'll be installing our part stop for our Trajan 125 machine. This is a great tool that anyone can use, from professionals to do-it-yourselfers who need to quickly cut material. Before we start any kind of work on our machine, we always want to make sure that it's unplugged. Safety first, right? To start, take the rod with the bolt and screw it in on the base just below where the blade is. To tighten, you want to use a 19mm wrench and you just tighten it up just like that. You'll slide the stopper on the rod, take that bolt, you'll feed it in, and you want to spin it around here where you got the threads up like that so your arm can screw in. All right, perfect. Your Trajan 125 part stop has a 10-inch capacity. And to measure, you always want to start from the blade to the stopper. So right here, we've got about 7 inches. That's perfect. That's exactly what I need. So you can open this up, put your material in the vise. Make sure your material butts up against the stopper, and then close the vise up, and you're ready to start cutting. It's that easy. Thanks again for watching today's video. I'm Tom Seagraves, and remember, Sawblade.com. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.